Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really delicious hot chocolate. Yes, not hot cocoa because we're going to be using chocolate bars. We're going to be adding some cinnamon, some coffee, some vanilla powder, some milk, of course some chocolate bars, and some cocoa powder. Now the cocoa powder I'm using is locally made. It's called Royale and it's made by Golden Tree, and the chocolate bars are also made by Golden Tree. Of course, we're also going to be adding some Baileys. So the first thing we want to do is to heat up our milk, and we're going to put our cinnamon stick in there, then let that do its thing. Also going to be adding our vanilla powder, our cocoa powder, and our coffee. Now the coffee is just instant decaf coffee. If you don't like coffee, you don't have to add it, but I just find that it gives this drink a bit of a kick. So once that's done, you're going to make sure that you're watching the milk carefully, because as soon as the milk starts to boil, it has the tendency to want to overflow. So you are going to want to keep an eye on that. And once that is boiling, you're ready to put in your chocolate. We're still going to be adding our Baileys, but we're going to do that once our chocolate is completely melted in the milk. So you can see that the color has become a bit browner and everything has basically dissolved, or everything has melted in the milk. And then we're going to turn off the heat. Once we've turned off the heat, then we're going to add our delicious Baileys. Now Baileys is alcoholic, so you don't want to give this drink to your children. So you're going to be putting a few shots of Baileys in there. For this recipe, I put in 3 shots, but you can reduce it. And if you're a bit of a Susie Boozy, then you can add some more shots as well. And so that is basically it. You're going to put them in beautiful cups or mugs or glasses. There you have your beautiful Bailey's hot chocolate ready. It's just about to be Valentine's Day. So you can do that for your loved one. Make them some simple Bailey's hot chocolate. And I will see you on the next video. Happy drinking!